Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 172, Factorial Trailing Zeroes. So it is very interesting problem. Okay, so given an integer n, return the number of trailing zeros in n factorial. So it is straightforward. So in n factorial, we want to find the trailing zero. Trailing zero means what? The last zeros. That's it. Okay. So see here, for 3, take for example, for 3, what's the 3 factorial? It is 6. Whether that is trailing 0? No. So it will be 0. Okay. For 5, the 5 factorial is 120. There is 1 trailing 0. Yes. So it will be 1. Okay. For 0, there is no trailing 0. For 20, see here. Here and all there is some 0. But we don't take that in our consideration. We only take what? Trailing 0 in our consideration. So trailing zeros are what? Only 4. So that's why the answer is 4. Fine. So it is very straightforward question. So how can we solve it? We can just take the factorial. We can just take factorial and just count how many zeros are in the trailing. That's it. So it's a simple brute force approach. So what's the time and space complexity? I can say my time complexity will be O of n or Sn, because we want to multiply from 1 till the end, right? Because if it is 5, then 5 factor will be what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Hope you know this, right? So it will be O of n, time complexity, and space complexity will be what? O of 1. But this is not our problem. Our main problem in this brute force approach is that, see here, this is not an array elements. This is 100 factorial. Okay, this is not an array elements. This is a 100 factorial. Okay, for this 100 factorial, we want to compute this all thing, then we can just take this count of trailing 0. But instead of taking all thing, we just take consideration of only finding the trailing zeros. There comes the math application. Okay, this is one of the aptitude problem, also important problem. Okay, how to find it? Okay, it is so simple. See here, we are just multiplying in the factorial always. Okay, what is the possibility of getting 0 when I multiplying two numbers? Just think about it. When I will get a 0 in my end, if I multiply any numbers, the direct answer is 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Can you understand this? Okay, so this 5 and 2 are the reason why we are getting a trailing 0, right? Okay, if I have the count of 5 and 10, then I can say how many trailing zeros are there. So it is direct approach. So how can I do it? So see here, take for example this 20. Take for example this 20. So for 20, what is the value? It is from 1 to 20, right? 1 to 20. Okay, from 1 to 20, what are the values that contains 2? So 2, 4, 6, 8, all even numbers contain 2, right? So 2 is vast. Okay, but 5 is which are the number that consists only 5? 5, 10, 15 and 20. Take for example, if I say from 1 to some value n, what are the 2's multiple? 2's multiple will be more. So we will get 2's more. Like see here there is 1 2, here there is 2 2, here there is 1 2, here there is 3 2. So we don't take consideration of 2's count. We only take the consideration of 5 count, because 1 2 and 1 5 leads to the trailing 0 of 1. Okay, if there is 2 2 and 1 5, then also the trailing 0 will be what? 1 only. Can you understand this? 2 count and 5 count will take path equally. Okay, so I just identified that 2's count is vast while comparing to the 5's count. So 5's count is a scarcity, right? So I take consideration of what? 5 count. Okay, however, we will take the minimum of 5 and 2. What is the minimum? Obviously 5 only. Can you understand this? Okay, so I will take the 5 count. Okay, now 5, 10, 15, 20. So how many 5's are present? 4, right? So my answer will be what? 4. Fine. Now let us take a big value like 100. Okay, for this 100, what are the values there are? So 5, 10, 15, 20. Now for 100, I can say these are the all 5 multiples, right? Okay, now see here, for this 5, 10, 15, 20, there is only one 5. But for this 25, we have 2 5. For this 50, we have 2 5. For this 75, we have 2 5. And for this 100, it contains 2 5. You may ask, what is meant by 2 5 first of all? So it is like 5 into 5. Here, 5 into 5 into 2. Here, 5 into 5 into 3, right? Here, 5 into 5 into 4, like that. Can you understand this? Can you understand this? Again, when I am going to the 125, it will be what? 5 into 5 into 5. From this, I am identifying a pattern like, see here, that consists what? Here consists 2 5. While other only consists 1 5. Here and all, there is only 1 5. But for this 25, I have 2 5. And for this 25's multiple also contain 2 5. Can you understand this? Again, when I am going to 125, it contains 3 5. So 125's multiple contains 3 5. Again, next thing is what? 625. That also contains, that multiples also contain what? 5, 4, 5. Can you understand this? Can you understand this? So see here, for 100 factorial, how many trailing zero will be there? Totally, there will be, I can say, like 100, a formula is there, 100 divided by 5 plus 100 divided by 25 plus 100 divided by 125. No, we should stop here alone. Okay, so this means that how many 5's are there inside the 100 factorial? Like, cancel it out. Here comes 25. Okay, totally 25 5's are there, and also something contains extra 5, right? Like this 25, this 50, this 75, and this 100 are containing what? Extra 5. Those are the multiples of 25. Can you understand this? So when I am cancelling this, it will be what? 4. See here, 25, 50, 75, and 100. 4. So 25 plus 4 is equal to what? 29. See here, if you count here, it will be what? 29. Can you understand this? So this is how we will find the trailing zero. And tell me, what is the time complexity? Time complexity is O of log n base 5. Because we are just dividing by what? Dividing by 5, then 5 into 5, then 5 into 5 into 5, then 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, like that. Can you understand this? So it will be what? O of log of n base 5. Okay, hope you understand this. Let us see the code. See here, this is the brute force approach. The commented approach is brute force approach. So here you will get integer overflow error. Okay, so instead of trying this approach, we can go for the further approach like this. So here I am just taking a result is equal to 0, then while n is greater than 0, result plus is equal to n float division 5. Okay, then n is equal to n divided by 5. Now return the result. That's it. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.